Hi, I'm Patrick McConville, founder of 3DBYLDZ. At 3DBYLDZ, we're reinventing the way America eats cookies and crackers and how we entertain. With our cookie construction sets and texture rollers, we make it quick, easy, and fun to build amazing, sweet, and savory 3D structures and buildings of all kinds all year long. Each set includes cutters and waterproof blueprints, including original recipes, how-to instructions, and links to videos, tips, and tricks. We have mini designs like our Hamptons Mini Village, which makes for great edible place cards for dinner parties, or full-size designs like Cottage 1. We can also create custom sets so you can build your favorite house or building in 3D form anytime. Whether you're a retailer, an event planner, a caterer, or a restaurant looking for an experiential wow for your customers, 3DBYLDZ has something for you.